Wait, you forgot your email password again? Don't panic. If you ever saved your passwords on your Android phone before, there's a big chance all your accounts are already stored inside Google Password Manager. And today, I'll show you how to find them in less than 1 minute. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then, scroll down and open Google Settings. After that, tap your Google profile at the top. Now select Manage your Google account. Go to the Security section and look for Password Manager. Once you open it, boom! You'll see all the accounts and passwords you've ever saved on your phone. Just search for the account you want. Tap it. And if the password is hidden, simply tap the eye icon to reveal it. You can also edit the password, add notes, or even delete saved accounts if you want. And that's it. Super easy. So next time you forget your password, don't create a new account immediately. Your Android phone might already remember it for you.